Hi everyone, what's up? It's Joshua here from Alternative Brewing, and today we're checking out Brewista's Artisan Gooseneck Variable Temperature Kettle. This is a beautiful looking kettle that would fit any home or cafe decor brewing coffee. It also makes an excellent kettle for brewing tea. The Artisan Kettle comes in matte black and matte white, and it's a full stainless steel kettle inside and out, with stylish wood accents and BPA-free plastics in the lid and the base. The kettle has a 900ml capacity and it operates on 1000 watts of power. Now the shape to the spout, known as a gooseneck, assists in slowing down and controlling the flow of water whilst brewing. And the Artisan Kettle is Brewista's ultimate choice for pour over style coffee brewing, but this kettle would suit any coffee or tea brewing styles really. On the flat base, a touch-sensitive display shows your current water temperature and desired water temperature, and has a good range of settings there. By pressing the thermometer button and the up and down arrows on the right-hand side of the base, you can set your water temperature from 60 degrees Celsius all the way up to 100 degrees boiling. There is also a smart boil function though that will boil the water as fast as possible. A hold function indicated by the flame will hold your kettle's set temperature once reached for upwards of an hour. And this kettle will also remember your temperature between switching it on and off. The A button indicates an auto on setting, and you can set your kettle to turn on at a set time to reach a desired temperature, so you can have your water boiled before you even wake up. But built into the kettle is also an auto off function that keeps you safe by shutting it down if your kettle is left on and unattended for over 60 minutes. Now the last button is your brew timer, and you can have this count up or down, and this is a neat function to use to keep track and maintain consistent brew times. And that's the Brewista Artisan Gooseneck Variable Temperature Kettle for you. It's a very ergonomic kettle for brewing coffee and tea. It looks fantastic and it has the capacity to be your go-to kettle for all water heating. But if you have any questions on either of these two Artisan kettles, then throw a comment below, we'll get straight back to you. Thanks for watching this video, hit like if you've enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe so you can keep notified when we bring out videos just like this every week. Until then, see you next time.